Page number 60 in your maths textbook. Solve the following problems orally. Okay, it's in your maths textbook. I have copied the question in my maths notebook. You can directly do in your maths textbook. If Malti has 15 blue and 7 red pens, how many balloons does she have altogether? What is the meaning of altogether, children? See, Malti has 15 blue pens, 7 red pens. How many, 15 blue balloons, 7 red balloons. How many balloons altogether she has? Okay, so 15 plus 7. Keep 15 in your mind. 7 you count in your finger. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 15 plus 7 is equal to 22 balloons all together. Okay, so you will write answer 22. Moving to our second sum. Ajit had some seeds. Sagar gave him 25 more. Now Ajit has 65 seeds. How many seeds did Ajit have before? Okay. Seeds. Ajit had some seeds. Some seeds we don't know. Some seeds we don't know. Okay. Sagar gave seeds 25. Total seeds Ajit has 65. How many seeds Ajit had before? Total he has 65. When Sagar gave him 25, it became total number of seeds Ajit have 65. Okay. How many seeds he had before Sagar gave him anything? मतलब पहले उसके पास कितना था वो हमें नहीं पता. सागर ने उसको 25 सीड्स दिया तो टोटल 65 हो गया. पर पहले से उसके पास कितने सीड्स थे? So how you will come to know this number? So what you will do? 65 minus 25. 5 minus 5, 0. When you minus 2 from 6, answer will be 4. So 40 seeds Ajit had before. So answer is 40. Okay. There are altogether 80 rows and 80 There are altogether 80 rose and jasmine flowers in a basket. Okay, there is a basket. Okay, all together. So there is this basket, okay, which has rose plus jasmine. How many? 80. 80 total hai. Okay. 30 of them are roses. 30 of them are roses. Jasmine. We don't know jasmine, and total was 80. How we will come to know how many jasmines were there? How we will come to know how many jasmines were there? you will minus 80, you will minus 30 from 80. So there were 50 jasmine in the basket. Okay, we can do this orally, but I am just explaining you so that you will be able to understand, and you can do it directly in your maths textbook. Fourth sum. A 100 children took part in a tree planting drive. If 60 of them were girls, how many boys participated? Total children, total number of children you can write 100. Okay. Girls 60, boys we don't know. How we will come to know? 100 minus 60 40 boys participated. Okay, this was easy. Now, Akbar peeled 42 potatoes, Salma peeled 35. How many more potatoes should Salma peel to equal the number peeled by Akbar? Okay, Akbar peeled 42 potatoes. Salma peeled 35 potatoes. Now, difference. How many more potatoes Salma has to peel if she has to reach 35? सलमा ने 35 पोटैटोज पील किए, अकबर ने 42 किए. कितना करेगी तो वो 42 हो जाएगी. जैसे 42 minus 35 you can do directly. Seven more potatoes Salma needs to peel. I hope children you have understood. With this we have come to the end of this chapter. Thank you.